Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your existing subscription plan on ChatGPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to cancel any subscription or premium payment that you are making on ChatGPT, then you can click on the plan option at the bottom left corner, which will show your current plan if you are paying for premium, and if you are not, then you are likely to see the upgrade plan option. From this page, you will see the have an existing plan, see billing help option. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now take you into the billing section where you can use the ChatGPT assistant at the bottom right corner to send a message to the support team and ask a question. Within the ask a question section, you can simply choose any category, and once you see the message box, you can just enter your email address followed by your message, within which you can let the team know that you wish to cancel your subscription. After typing in the message, just send it to the OpenAI assistant and you will be provided with the relevant response, with which you will be able to cancel your subscription. Also make sure to check within the help.openai.com website where you can find all of the frequently asked questions. And there you have it. That is how you can cancel your subscription on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.